Hey Bilaras, welcome back to your favorite spot for skincare that's simple, natural, and actually works. What if I told you that one of the most powerful skincare ingredient isn't locked in a serum bottle or hiding in an expensive cream? It's actually sitting in your fridge right now. Milk is one of the oldest, most underrated beauty secrets. It helps brighten your skin, fade pigmentation, hydrate deeply, and gently exfoliate, all with zero harsh chemicals. Most people overlook it, and the skincare industry definitely doesn't talk about it enough, but that's why I'm here for. So if you're ready to glow naturally, don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell. And while you're here, make sure to check out the Glow Up Essentials playlist to learn how other natural ingredients can transform your skin too. Let's dive in. So, what makes milk so special for the skin? First, lactic acid. This is a gentle exfoliator that removes dead skin cells, brightens dull skin, and smooths texture without irritating your skin. Second, vitamins A, D, and B12. These support skin renewal, fight dullness, and help maintain a healthy glow. And finally, proteins and enzymes. They help moisturize and soften the skin, especially if you're dealing with dry, flaky patches. It's gentle, effective, and perfect for even sensitive skin types. Milk is truly a gentle multitasker when it comes to skincare. When used regularly, it can brighten dull skin, fade pigmentation and dark spots, and soothe irritation or inflammation, especially from sun exposure. It also helps tighten pores, smooth out uneven texture, and gently exfoliate without stripping your skin's natural moisture. Plus, its hydrating properties work wonders on dry, rough patches, restoring softness and radiance. Whether you use it as a base for face masks, mix it into a scrub, or apply it directly into a cotton pad, milk is a simple yet powerful ingredient your skin will love. Here's a simple method you can try today. Pour a small amount of milk into a bowl, dip a cotton pad and apply it all over your clean face and neck. Let it dry completely. You'll feel it tightening slightly. Rinse off with lukewarm water and follow up with your favorite moisturizer. This alone can brighten and refresh your skin like magic. No mixing, no extras, just pure milk. You've probably seen me use milk powder or fresh milk in so many of my DIY recipes here on Bilara, with turmeric to fade dark spots, with oats for hydration, with rice powder for brightening masks. It's one of my favorite ingredients because it's affordable, effective, and perfect for all skin types. That's why it's always in my skincare toolbox. So remember this, you don't need fancy packaging or expensive products to care for your skin. You just need to know what works and love yourself enough to give your skin the care it deserves. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried milk in your routine, or if you're going to try that cotton pad method tonight. Give this video a like if it helped you, subscribe for more weekly natural skincare tips, and share it with someone who needs to hear that beauty begins with self-love. See you in the next one. Bye!